Hey guys and gals, Froggy here, and this is going to be a quickie. If you want in-depth on how to do a string alignment for tow, I've got a lot on my C5 Z06 car, so go and look at those. This is just a quick video of how I set it up on the C6 Z06. You're always going to find these attachment points. So what I did is I got some clamps, and I clamped around this, just like a 90-degree angle underneath this piece of rubber. So I clamped that, and then I got my smart strings frame here, and it was slipping off, so I put a couple of zip ties to hold it on there. And then on the front is pretty much the same as what I did on my C5. I went to the hood hinges. And I just want to show you how I set it up on a C6. The smart strings is a really cool thing to do your own alignments. And I've got the strings are strung out, and yeah, they want to be dead center on each one of the hubs. So I got that, and they're loose and free. So I've got these lines. Imagine a string line that is represents parallel to the chassis of the car, basically. So now I'm going to move the wheels in or out. This got nothing to do with camber, this is tow. So I'm going to move the wheels in or out. First I'll set exactly off the hub. I will set the strings so everything's off the hub, the center of the hub. Then I start using the tie rod end to turn the wheel in or out. Okay, so that's an important thing. I need to mention that. You've got to come exact off the hub. I'm talking down to a 32nd, or if you can do it to a 64th. Okay, I got to get going. I'm running late.